It took thousands of skilled people to build a pyramid. But how on earth did they move those great pieces of stone, which weighed up to 2.5 tons? There's no evidence to show that Egyptians had ropes and pulleys strong enough to lift the stone, but there is a drawing which was made 1,000 years after the Great Pyramid was built, which shows what looks to be a block of stone on a ramp. Now, remains of ramps have been found at several pyramid sites in Egypt, so it leads us to believe that a straight ramp was used to raise the stone up to the building level. Recent tests have shown that you can move heavy stone on sand using a sledge, but experiments have shown that if you wet the sand, the sledge glides more easily. One of the best pieces of evidence for the moving of heavy stone on a sledge is a drawing from the tomb of Jehuti-Hotep, which shows 4 rows of 43 men dragging a statue on a sledge. It also shows men pouring liquid under the sledge. So I'd say this is a pretty good evidence to show how they moved those huge blocks.